Every website that we build is geared with SEO. It's also geared to be able to collect leads, and we even have the ability for online booking if that's something that you want to add. With every website also comes a sales video about yourself, why you do what you do, what you offer, and how you could essentially book with your business. And we're also going to include a highlight video, especially if you're in Orange County areas. We're going to be able to actually film a video for you. If you're not in the area, we could go ahead and teach you on how you could get content to us. That way we could edit these videos. In addition, we're also going to be setting up your Google and Apple Maps to ensure that people are able to find you with those two things set up, which are highly crucial when it comes to people searching for services for your auto business in the area. My name is Jarrett Richards, and for the brand new year, we're going to be offering a special so you can get our complete package for only $700, or again, we could help in other areas, so go ahead and contact us for a quote, and we'll love to be able to set up your online presence for your automotive business.